Tonight we're following through on lessons learned when it comes to flood insurance. As we've been reporting here, Citizens, the state's insurer of last resort, is now requiring all homeowners in Florida to have flood insurance by 2027. That move brought a lot of pushback, including one Largo homeowner who reached out to us saying that it is pricing her out of paradise.
And now, after flooding from Hurricane Milton, her home is a total loss. ABC Action News anchor Nadine Yanis takes the story from there tonight.
Well, in my 14 years of reporting, this was a first, being invited into a home to talk about insurance and protecting your home in a storm, and then coming back to see that same home now damaged after Hurricane Milton. You see it here. Pastva Morgan emailing us, now sharing the lessons that she's learned when it comes to getting flood insurance. Is this exactly where we were sitting for our interview?
Exactly, the exact spot.
It was surreal standing in the same spot Pastva Morgan and I were in back in April.
This is the flood insurance.
Emailing us then in tears, Citizens was requiring her to carry flood insurance, more than doubling her insurance rates.
Please, do whatever you can to help us that can't help ourselves.
But now, nearly in tears again.
But it's devastating. It really is.
Her home is a total loss.
You walk there, you will go straight to the ground underneath.
That's the ground. Flooded in Milton.
Pure mold, black mold.
But thanks to that flood insurance requirement, she's getting the full amount of coverage back.
And there was also a clause in there that I did not know about. And they will pay, as if the city condemns the home, they will pay up to $30,000 for storage, to have the home removed, and to help you relocate. So that was huge.
The dichotomy of all of it, though, because you were also in tears for how expensive it all was.
I know, because I was that person.
Citizens CEO Tim Serio felt that pushback, speaking to us at an insurance village after Hurricane Helene.
We're now seeing that that was probably a very good policy for the legislature to pass. Some folks said, I don't even live in a flood zone. It was a fair point, but with Ian, we saw a lot of flooding in Central Florida, folks not in the flood zone. With Debbie, now with Helene, we're seeing flooding of folks not in a flood zone. It's for the protection of the consumer.
As for Jane, once her home is demolished, she's moving, quite literally priced out of paradise.
This was our paradise. This was our paradise. So yeah, because of the cost. Yes, because the cost of living and the insurance costs.
And here at ABC Action News, we are committed to helping you navigate insurance after this crazy hurricane season. If you head over to abcactionnews.com/insurance, you'll see here all of our insurance-related stories and insurance resources that you can get to right now to help you after the storm. In the newsroom, I'm Nadine Yanis, ABC Action News.
Nadine, thank you. And here's a look at the QR code Jane used to reach out to us. If you have something you'd like us to look into, fill out a form to share your story with us. Our team reads through every message, and it's our commitment to follow through on the stories happening right here in our community.